Our today's recipe is another must-have thing for Christmas. If you can remember my previous chocolate crinkle cookie recipe, the steps are same as that. The only difference is the ingredients. These quantities are more than enough to make 15 cookies. First, in a bowl, combine flour, sugar, ginger, cinnamon, baking soda and salt together. Then we can add room temperature butter cut into cubes. Mix butter with flour by using your hands until it becomes like breadcrumbs. Then add milk and molasses. Molasses is the most important ingredient for this recipe. If you can't find molasses, you can substitute it with honey. When all ingredients are well combined, you'll get a perfect and smooth dough like this. Before making cookies, let's refrigerate this around 30 to 45 minutes. If you live in a hot climate, you might need to refrigerate it around 1 to 1.5 hours. After that, make small balls, roll them in icing sugar and place on your baking tray. If you live in a hot climate, by the time you finish making all balls, the first made ones might absorb most of icing sugar. In that case, you will have to roll them again in icing sugar. After making all balls, we can bake these cookies around 14 minutes under 180 degrees Celsius in a preheated oven. Once baked cookies are completely cooled down, you can store them in an airtight container. Hope you enjoyed this simple recipe. See you again with another delicious one.